How to set up and use Apple Pay. Have you ever wondered how to pay for something with your iPhone? If you're not already using Apple Pay, then it's time to get familiar with this useful tool and set it up on your iPhone or Apple Watch. What are the benefits of Apple Pay? Fast checkout, no extra luggage in your bag, such as a wallet, customizing and adding multiple cards, fingerprint protection or Face ID. To use Apple Pay, first, ensure that the location is accepting Apple Pay. There should be a sign towards the checkout location. If the store does accept Apple Pay, once you get to the checkout area and you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side volume buttons and glance at the phone if you're using Face ID. If you have an iPhone with Touch ID, then place your finger on Touch ID instead. Do not press the home button. For both methods, the next step is to position your phone near the contactless reader. Your phone will let you know when the transaction is complete by showing a check mark. To use another card for payment, you just need to select it before confirming. How to add a card to your Apple Pay wallet. 1. Unlock your iPhone. 2. Open the wallet application. 3. At the top of the screen, select the plus icon. 4. Follow the prompts on the screen, as you may need to download an additional app to add a card. 5. Your card provider or bank will verify your information. 6. Start using Apple Pay. Pay with Apple Watch. Apple Pay is also compatible with Apple Watch smartphones, and you can easily set up payments on this device. 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. 2. Open the My Watch tab. 3. Go to Wallet and then select Apple Pay. 4. Click on Add. 5. Confirm the action with the Next button. 6. Enter data from your card. 7. Confirm the action. To use Apple Pay with an Apple Watch, you just need to bring the device to the register and double-click the side button. Next, hold the device until you hear a signal or feel a vibration, which will confirm your payment. How to use Apple Pay in online stores. You can use Apple Pay in various online stores or browsers like Safari. 1. When buying, select Buy with Apple Pay. 2. Enter the required data. 3. Confirm the operation using Face ID/Touch ID. Using Apple Pay is a quick and convenient way to complete all your transactions, whether you're purchasing something in-store or online. Thank you for watching our instructional video. We hope it was helpful. If you'd like to see tips about other mobile phone functions or fixes, drop a note in the comments below. We'd be happy to put together a video. For more videos, please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe.